Hey there, sweet friends, and welcome back to another vlog. I really don't have much to share with you guys today, and you're gonna hear Maggie. She actually wants me to pick her up, so hold on one second. Here's the queen, the little diva. And I'm a mess, but that's okay. I'm not gonna edit this vlog a whole lot. I'm really not, and it shouldn't be a very long vlog. So I'm in between Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you what the house kind of looks like in the raw. I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year, and it is going to be a very special Thanksgiving and Christmas for our family. So I am going to go all out. I really am. Now, as far as decor goes for Thanksgiving, I am decorating for Thanksgiving. I'm not going to put all my fall stuff back up because I want to transition quickly into Christmas, and I have a plan for that. But for Thanksgiving, I was on the hunt for turkeys, and I found a few. Art found me 2 more. So I'm going to show you what I've got so far to work with, and I'm just going to show you what the house looks like in the raw, and yeah, that's how we're going to do this vlog. This is what the kitchen looks like right now. Look at how bare it looks. Doesn't it look bare? But that's intentional because I will need all of this space cleared so that I can cook, number one, for Thanksgiving, but then also lay out everything because we're going to do it buffet style. We're going to be utilizing this table for guests. And then, of course, our dining room table will seat 8, and that is going to be utilized for guests. And then we're going to set up another table for 6. That's going to go in the sitting room over there, and that's just going to be a folding table. And we have extra chairs like that, so that's how that's going to go. All right, so this is the dining room. Excuse the mess on the table. We'll go through that in just a second. But as you can see, it does not have any seasonal stuff. So what I plan to do is, like I said, I'm going to make the house warm and cozy for Thanksgiving with just a few little things. What are those things? Well, greenery, lighting, candles, ambiance, and turkeys. So here are the turkeys. You've already seen these that I'm showing. This one I picked up last week at the thrift store. And then of course I got the salt and pepper shakers. Those are perfect. And I think I'm going to use these as a little touch over on the hutch. And I also have a couple of brass pheasants. They're not turkeys, but they're going to fit in with the vibe. It's going to be fine. Then Art last weekend found me 2 of these at Gabe's, $14.99. Aren't they amazing? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I got 2. And then I forgot that I actually did have 1 turkey that I saved. 1 piece of Thanksgiving Day decor that is vintage and has been in my family for a while. I actually had it still. Can't believe I had it. I did have to doctor him up because the paint was chipping everywhere, and he does have a broken wing. I didn't repair it. I just camouflaged it. But I have him, and I think I'm gonna put him over here on my little curio. So there's that. So that's what I'm prepared for. But I am going to show you the sitting room really quick so that you can see where things stand pre-Christmas. Now, if you're not liking this type of video, I am so sorry, but sometimes this is all I can muster. All right, so this is what it's looking like. It is I'll spin you this way. It's very bare. Look at that. I'm not decorating the tree. Typically, this tree actually goes to the kitchen, but I'm leaving it here for now because when I put it in the kitchen, it's so close to that table, and I just want to make sure that my guests are able to really feel comfortable at the tables. So this, instead of packing it away and bringing it back up in 30 days, I'm just going to leave it here. And the table is going to go this way. So let me see if I can. So the table will go right here. And so we will have 2 tables that are, adjacent, and that's how it's going to go. Now, that still gives plenty of clearance on either side for the chairs to go here and a chair on either end, so we can fit 6 people easily in this area. Fingers crossed that this all pans out okay. I am a little nervous with these chairs being so close, so I may have to push these chairs back a little bit further, or even use these on, I don't want to use them on either end because then it kind of blocks the view. I don't know. Stay tuned for the final on that. It's a couple weeks away, so stay tuned for that. But definitely table right here. I might put a turkey right here. And I'm leaving all of my pictures kind of empty. I went ahead and removed all the pictures. I'm going to leave those empty for now. So I don't have covers on these pillows yet. Everything is still a work in progress. I have not decided definitively on, the decor portion of everything, other than I want to use turkeys, I want to use greenery, and I'm going to just keep it simple. Because the day after Thanksgiving, I'm going to be decorating so much, I don't want to have to undecorate. I really don't. This way, this is easy. These things are easy to put in one little bin and put away and pack away, and it'll be fine. So that is it for today's video. There's really not much more to share because I'm really just kind of in limbo, in transition, and plotting and planning. This weekend, Art and I are planning to go up to Stroudsburg, Virginia. We're going to go to the Stroudsburg Emporium. We're going to go to Clementine's Vintage. Those two are definitely on my list. There's a bakery that's by Clementine's Vintage that I want to try. It's not new. It's been open for a really long time, but they have launched their grand reopening this week. So I just want to go try it and support them. I love supporting small business that's in our area. So, and this isn't necessarily in our area. This is the next state over that we're going to, but we're still going to go support them and show them some love. And you know how much I love Clementine's Vintage and how much I love the Stroudsburg Emporium. So I'm excited to go, and maybe I'll find more turkeys that I can use in this decor. So yeah, we're going to try to see if we can find some wonderful vintage additions to add to our ever-growing Thanksgiving Day decor that we can use for years and years to come and pass down. So I'm excited about that. So I will film next, what we're doing this weekend. I'll film that and include that most likely in next week's video. And then in next week's video, maybe we'll be able to start decorating for Thanksgiving a little bit and kind of get some of the areas completed. I will film that as well and bring it to you as the decorating kind of unfolds, and we'll just see how this month kind of turns out. I do know that this month, somewhere in the next 2 weeks, I will have the decorating video. So for Thanksgiving, like that will be a designated video where we decorate for Thanksgiving. And then maybe the rest of it will be geared more towards preparations for Christmas. So I don't know. We're just going to roll with November. That's how it's going to go with Curated Home. We're just going to roll through November together. Okay. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope that you guys have a great week ahead, because as you see this, it is Sunday. And until next Sunday, when we do this all again, and hopefully you won't be so scattered, I will see you then. Bye.